Good morning, class 7 student. Here, Vallabi Gansavan, as usual, your computer teacher. See, student, already we completed lessons 2 and hope you solve assignment on that it also. If those students are not solving the assignment, please student, you have to solve first assignment 1 and 2 and then try to solve the assignment number 3, which I will give you today. I will start here lesson number 3, whose name is number system. So see student, in extra mark app directly videos are given there and conversion is given there. So I want to discuss one point with you. First basic introduction I want to give you on number system. That's why I'm creating this video. I hope you will understand the video and try to solve the assignment on it. So let's start student. First we will discuss about what is number system. So see student, the representation of data in various way is called as number system. As we know that inside the computer we can store the large amount of data. So that same data we can represent in various way is known as, that representation is known as number system. So see, simply I will give the explanation here. What is a number system? The representation of data in various way. The representation of data in various ways is known as number system. Student, there are 4 ways we can represent our data. There are 4 ways we can easily represent our data. So that 4 ways I will discuss here. The first way is decimal number system. Second way is binary number system. Third way is octal number system. And the last way is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. So through these 4 ways we can represent our data inside the computer. So we will understand what is a decimal number system, what is a binary number system, what is a octal number system, and what is the hexadecimal number system. So see student, first what is decimal number system? So student, the number whose base is 10, that number system is called as decimal number system. Simple language student, the number whose base is 10, that number we called as a decimal number system. And the limit of this decimal number system is 0 to 9. That means 1 base 10 is a decimal number system, 2 base 10 is a decimal number system, and etc. or so on. Next, what is binary number system? So see student, we know that binary means 2 and our computer understand which language? So simply it will understand only binary language. Binary means 2, that means which digit we are using here? So only 0 and 1. So the number whose base is 2, that number is called as binary number system. So simply 0 base 2 is referred as binary number system. 1 base 2 is referred as binary number system. So binary number system, we are using the digit only 2 digit, that is 0 and 1, and whose base is 2 is called as binary number system. So same like octal and hexadecimal. Octal means what? Whose base is 8, that number system is called as octal number system. Limit of these 0 to 7 and base is 8. And same hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. So simply whose base is 16. So is referred as hexadecimal number system and limit is 0 to 15. So this is the simple introduction about the number system, student. Again I am repeating, number system, the representation of data in various way is called as number system. There are 4 ways we can represent our data: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system, whose base is 10. Binary number system, whose base is 2. Octal number system, whose base is 8. And hexadecimal number system, whose base is 16, is known as hexadecimal number system. So based on this today's topic, you will get the assignment. Hope you understand the lesson or concept, and you have to try to solve the assignment on this. Thank you, student.